Okay, so now we have Vivado installed. The next thing we're going to install is PetaLinux or PetaLinux. Um, so I copied into my home directory on Linux this file, PetaLinux, and the version is 2024.1. And notice how it matches the version of Vivado. I also downloaded the BSP board support package for the KR260 robotic starter kit. This one is not really necessary. These files, these two board support files are not needed right now, but they will be needed after we have a custom design and we want to create something for PetaLinux. So I'm going to go into my home directory. I'm going to go into the Xilinx directory and we have the PetaLinux file. If you do ls-l, you'll see it's not runnable, no problem. I can chmod plus exit. Then if you run the command, one thing we want to do is specify the install directory. If not specified, it will install to your working directory. So we don't want that. So we're going to do ls-l /tools. Okay, everything's owned by me. So we'll type mkdir, Xilinx. Should I do a camel case? Why not? Let's make another directory, 2024.1. So I'm going to do PetaLinux install, dir/tools, Xilinx PetaLinux 2024.1. And that's it. Let's see if it gives us any errors because I'm using Ubuntu 24. So it's complaining about these missing system tools. No problem. Development library. So let's start. Let's start by installing these. Install zlib and curses, exterm autoconf lib tool text info zlib1v-dev and build essential. Let's put that's why. Okay, and zlib and n curses. Let's remove these from the list and make a note. And while we wait, let's Google it. Okay, just wants the dev package. And what about probably the same thing for curses? Lib and curses dash dev. Also the W. Okay, enter to display agreement, press Q and Y to accept. Again. All right, I'm just going to pause the video. Okay, right when I paused the video, it finished. So now, if you go to Tools, Xilinx, there's a file again called settings.sh. So you can just source this file, and now you have PetaLinux commands. You can run PetaLinux-create. TFTP, don't worry about that. That basically, it's meant for like actual development environments where I make changes to my image, then I want to send it to a TFTP server, and then I have like some system that gets the latest image from the TFTP server. So we don't have to worry about that right now. All right, thank you.